Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss some other question answer of the chapter primary activity of class 12. Next question. Describe plantation agriculture system. Answer. System of plantation agriculture is introduced by Europeans. Plantation agriculture is done on large patch of land. In this type of agriculture, number of laborers are required more. In this type of agriculture, modern tools are used. In this type of agriculture, only one type of crop is grown on large patch of land. For example, tea, coffee, sugarcane, pineapple, etc. Next question. Describe subsistence agriculture. Answer. All products are consumed by producer itself. So we can say that producer is the consumer itself. Subsistence agriculture is of two types. First is primitive subsistence agriculture It is done on a small patch of land. In this type of agriculture, modern tools are not used. In this type of agriculture, primitive tools such as hoe, dough, digging stick, etc. are used. In this type of agriculture, land is cleared by fire and ash adds to the fertility of the soil. This process is called slash and burn agriculture. After 3 to 5 years, when the fertility of soil decreases, then the farmer shifts to other patch of land in order to grow crops. This process is called shifting cultivation. Next is intensive subsistence agriculture. It is of two types. First is intensive subsistence agriculture dominated by wet paddy In this type of agriculture, there is dominancy of rice crop. It is labor intensive agriculture which is done by the family members. In this agriculture, manual laborers are required. In this agriculture, modern tools are not used. Its shortcoming is that the productivity per labor is low. Next is intensive subsistence agriculture dominated by other crops than paddy hyphen. In this type of agriculture, there is dominancy of other crops instead of paddy. In this type of agriculture, crops such as wheat, barley, etc. are grown. Irrigation system is often used in this agriculture. Next question. What do you mean by mixed farming? Answer. In this farming, along with crop cultivation, animal husbandry is also practiced. In this farming, large amount of capital is required. This type of farming is done on moderate patch of land. In this farming, chemical fertilizer and green manure are used. Crops such as wheat, barley, oats, etc. are grown in this type of farming. Fodder crops are also grown in this type of farming that are used to feed the animals. Crop rotation and intercropping are also used in this farming to increase the fertility of the soil. Animals like sheep, pig, etc. are reared in mixed farming. It is practiced in northwestern Europe, Eastern North America, and part of Eurasia. Next question. What do you mean by truck farming? Answer. In this type of farming, farmer only grow vegetables. The name truck farming is given due to the fact that the distance between the farm where crops are grown and the market is covered by the truck. Next question. What do you mean by dairy farming? Answer. In this type of farming, milch animals such as cow, goat, buffalo, etc. are reared. In this type of farming, large amount of capital is required for animal shed, for the storage of fodder for the animals, and for the milk machines. In this type of farming, large number of laborers are also required to take care of the animals. Northwestern Europe, Canada, Tasmania, southeastern Australia, and New Zealand are the areas where dairy farming is practiced. Next question. What do you mean by Mediterranean agriculture? Answer. It is commercial agriculture. Its specialty is in growing grapes. Good quality of grapes are used to make wine of different flavor. Inferior quality of grapes are used to make resin. Olive and fig are also grown here. Next question. What do you mean by factory farming? Answer. It is a modern type farming. In it, poultry and cattle are reared. Animals are kept in the pens. Animals feed on manufactured feed stuff and are protected against diseases. Next question. What do you mean by market gardening and horticulture? Answer. It is a specialized form of agriculture in which high value crops are grown, such as vegetables, fruits, flowers, etc. for urban center. It is labor and capital intensive agriculture. This agriculture requires irrigation. It also requires HYV seed, fertilizer, pesticide, etc. It is done near urban center. Next question. What do you mean by collective farming? Answer. This type of farming was based on kolkhoz that was introduced introduced in USSR. Its aim was to increase agricultural production by improving earlier methods. In this farming, farmer use land, livestock, labor, etc. to improve the production. Next question. What do you mean by cooperative farming? Answer. This farming is done mainly for more efficient and profitable farming. In this farming, a group of farmers forms a cooperative society by sharing resources with their own will. In this farming, individual farm remains unbroken. Cooperative farming help the farmer to buy all the inputs which are necessary for the farming. Cooperative farming also help the farmer in selling of products. Cooperative farming is practiced in Western Europe like Italy, Sweden, Denmark, etc. Next question. What do you mean by mining? Answer. It is a form of primary activity. It involves extraction of valuable minerals deep under the earth's surface. It depends on economic and physical factor. Next question. What are the two factors that affect mining? Answer. There are two factors which affect mining, out of which first factor is physical factor. These include size, grade, and mode of occurrence of the deposit. Next is economic factor. These include demand of mineral, technology available and used, and labor and transport cost.